Hi, this is Ethan from Crooking Engineering Equipment Company. We are the industry-leading construction machinery dealer, which has decades of expert experience. Today, I will introduce a SANY excavator. Beside me is the SANY wholesaling excavator SY60CPRO. The machine operating weight is 6,000 kg and is equipped 0.25 cubic meter bucket standard.
SANY is a Chinese brand with international influence. With its outstanding performance in engineering machinery, heavy trucks, and new energy, it has continued to grow and become a well-known company worldwide. Besides, with the application of an electronic control pump and a new main well, the electronic control technology of the hydraulic pump adjusts power. The action response speed is faster, and the overall operation efficiency is improved. Okay, now let's check the engine. Equipped with engine of ISUZU National III standards. Now let's talk about the cabin. The newly designed cab with much space and larger windows provide you with a wider view. Equipped with excellent sealing, the cab is free from dust, rain, and noise, which actively reduces the fatigue of operator.
All in all, this small SANY excavator has excellent performance, safety operation, and easy maintenance. It will be a good choice.